Norton Security Premium by Symantec. Norton Security Premium offers cloud-based management for devices, users, subscription, and billing. The product also includes a configurable firewall and scan options. What really sets Norton Security Premium apart are robust parental control options accessible from anywhere. If your family needs extensive parental controls for multiple devices, this will be your product. Norton Security Premium includes a client app for use on the Mac, as well as a cloud-based web portal for account administrators to easily manage subscriptions, devices, family members, and settings preferences from any device so long as there's an internet connection. What's great about its cloud web portal is you can secure multiple computers, including OS X and Mac OS, Windows, smartphones, and tablets, all with a single subscription. Norton's client app offers real-time malware protection, which scans files in real time to protect you as you work. No utility to optimize your Mac by cleaning the hard drive of unnecessary files. Backup utility options are an extra cost. In a July 2017 malware detection test conducted by avtest.org, Symantec Norton scored a perfect 100% detection rate.